Hello P4, welcome to today's lesson. Do you have your pencil, your notebook and your class book ready? Make sure you have them and let's get started. Okay, so the topic of today's lesson is sequence adverbs, but we'll also be continuing with daily routines as part of these sequence adverb topic. Okay, this again is in unit 6 of the class book, today page 48. So turn to page 48 in your class book. What does it say? Every day. Every day. What do we do every day? Let's have a look. What's this? Have a shower? Do we have a shower every day? Yes. Okay. Do gymnastics. Do we do gymnastics every day? No. Catch the bus. Do we catch the bus every day? No. Have lunch. Do we have lunch every day? Yes. Go surfing. Do we go surfing every day? No. Study English. Do we study English every day? No. Saturday and Sunday, we don't study English. We don't catch the bus to school, but we still have lunch, still have a shower. Okay, so every day, things we do every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, every day. At the weekend. Next question. What do we do at the weekend? Read comics? Yes. Visit family? Yes. Walk to school? No. Play volleyball? Yes. Go to school? No. Cook? Yes. So at the weekend, remember the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. So we don't go to school at the weekend. We don't walk to school at the weekend, but we do visit family and cook, read comics, play volleyball, lots of things. We have lots of free time. Okay. So we have two words so far, two phrases, every day and at the weekend. Now, what about these words? There are 4 words and we want to put them in order. What do you think is the correct order? Which word is number 1? If you're writing about your daily routines, which word do you use as number 1, the first one? There's a clue there. It is, of course, first. Okay, first. What's that? What's number 2? Then. Then. Number 3. Next. Next. And the last one, finally. Finally. Okay. So first, then, next, finally. Okay. Reading and listening. So we now have a reading and listening activity for you. Before we start, you need to open your notebook, write the title, the date, and numbers 1 to 5 in the notebook. So we have sequence adverbs, that is the title, the date, Monday, 25th of January, 2021, and 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause the video if you need time to copy this. Now, can you see on page 48 of your class book, we have this box. Now in the box is information about a girl and the country she lives in. The title says Cyber School. Okay, first of all, Together, we will read the information in this box. Okay? Just read together. You don't need to write. Just read together. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Australia is a very big country. A lot of families live on farms. The farms are a long way from towns or cities, so the children don't go to school. They have lessons at home and they talk to their teachers on the internet. They are students of the cyber school. Okay, so this information is all about Australia. Okay, Australia. It's a very big country, so some students don't live near a school, so they study at cyber school on the internet. Okay. Now, next box says Ellie, and number 10. This is Ellie. This is Ellie. She is 10 years old. Now, the writing here tells us about Ellie's daily routines. Okay. Ellie is one of the students that can't go to school. She goes to cyber school in Australia. Now, what we are going to do is listen to Ellie talk about her daily routines. Can you see? There are 5 words missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And there are 5 words in this box. A, B, C, D, E. Now, when we're listening, I want you to listen to the words. Which word is missing? So number 1, which word is it? Write the letter in your book next to number 1. And number 2, write the letter. Number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay? There they are, 5 words. We will listen carefully, listen for the words and write the letter. You don't need to write all the word, just write the letter. Okay? So A is next, B, finally, C, first, D, every day, E, then. Before we start, can you close your class book? Okay, close your class book, no cheating, just listen carefully and fill in the missing words. Okay, so when you're ready, listen to Ellie and write down the correct letters. 3, 2, 1.
I live on a farm. There isn't a town for 500 kilometres. That's 6 hours in the car. So I do cyber school. I get up early every day. First, I help on the farm. Then I watch my teachers on the internet. Next, I do my schoolwork. Finally, I email my work to my teacher. Some of my school friends live 2,000 kilometres away, but we meet every year and have a sports day together.
Okay, did you get all 5 words? Do you know what number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, number 5 is? Did you listen carefully? If you want to listen again, that's okay. You can go back and listen again. Now, let's see. Let's check the answers. So, number 1 says, I live on a farm. There isn't a town for 500 kilometers. That's 6 hours in the car. So I do cyber school. I get up early. Number 1 was D, every day. I get up early every day. Number 2, first, I help on the farm. So that was letter C, first, I help on the farm. Number 3, then, letter E, then I watch my teachers on the internet. Number 4. Next, I do my schoolwork. Number 5. Finally, I email my work to my teacher. Some of my school friends live 2,000 kilometers away, but we meet every year and have a sports day together. Okay, so this is the answers. Check your answers. Are they the same? D, C, E, A, B. Every day. First, then, next, finally. Remember this order? Okay. If you want to pause the video to check your answers, that's okay. Now, time for today's quiz. So get your pencil and your notebook. We've already written the date and the title in the notebook. Now, first of all, I want you to copy the writing in the red box into your notebook. Copy this. Everything in this box, copy into your notebook. Okay. Now, fill in the gaps with the words in the box below. Okay. Fill in these gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With these words, every day, at the weekend, first, finally, next. Okay. So read it first and then fill in the gaps. You can pause the video to help you, give you time to copy and fill in the gaps. When you finish all of this activity, play the video to the end. Okay. Well done for finishing that quiz activity and for finishing the reading and listening activity. I hope you enjoyed today's lessons. We will check the answers tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Look out for tomorrow's video and I will see you then. Have a great day today. Goodbye.